Let's make some freaking money here. Let me do that. One doesn't work like I wanted to, but I'm gonna show you a really neat way. This is actually the first business that made me money, and it will make you money on any college campus you do if you just follow these simple steps. Not only in this video, I'm not only going to show you this method that was my first business that really made me money, but I'm going to give you the exact template that you can post to make you money. I have it here on my computer. I'm gonna give it to you in this video so you can literally copy the same flyer that I posted. I printed out and posted around campus so that you can make money too. Stay tuned. This is pretty exciting, and I'm excited to share this with you. Takes me back 10 years, and I'm gonna help you make money as well. Let's do it. So not many people know, but my first business was actually doing offline marketing. I was posting flyers around campus. I would just print them up, and I was selling my own tutoring services at the time. And I would post the flyers around campus. I would have these little tear tabs at the bottom of the flyers so that people could contact me. So to have little tear tabs like this, and I would put my information on the tear tabs. And if people were interested in contacting me, if they were interested in the proposition that I wrote on the flyer, they would tear off a tab and they'd take that information and they would contact me and I would get a new customer, right? I was making roughly $300 to $400 a day doing this. I'd only put up flyers 2 days a week, but I made about $300 to $400 every day. I'd make about $10,000 a month putting up flyers around my college campus. I mean, you're thinking the kids are broke college kids, right? Yes, I was going to a normal school, but there's money everywhere. You need to just follow the formula. You need to have some marketing that is interesting. Because again, people don't want to spend money, but people do want to solve their problems. And if you can solve people's problems, you can make a lot of money. Let's get to it on my computer right here. So now you can do this no matter where you are in the world. What you need to understand though is that there are 177 million college students out there in the world. This is a huge market. There's a lot of people out there. You're never going to run out of customers if you do this method to make money. You're never going to run out of customers to make money with this method. And now what you'd also need to know is the requirements of doing this are a few things. You need a Gmail account, okay? You need a Gmail email account, and you also will need access to a printer, okay? If you are a college student, you can actually just use the college printers. Usually they're free, and you need to print some paper for this method. And the third thing you'll need is you will need an affiliate link, okay? You will need to sign up for an affiliate network. I have a bunch of suggestions down in the description, but the way we're going to be doing things is I'm going to be showing you how to promote my program. You can promote any program. You could take this method and promote anything you want. Weight loss pills, or, you know, skincare creams, or muscle supplements, whatever you want to promote. But the point being, I'm giving you templates. I'm giving you everything you need to promote my program here. I want us both making money together, right? That's what I want. And the reason I'm teaching these, and think about it, think about how many videos I've put up. You think I'd be teaching methods that don't work if I wasn't making any money from them? No. These methods work. These methods work great. I have a ton of students making tons of money. They're not in the comments though, I'll tell you that. About 1 in every 100 is in the comments. It's like, wow, I made money. They're just silent. They're just like, ooh, they think to themselves, ooh, I made money, and they go do it. So keep that in mind. Push hard. People out there making money, they're there. They're not talking. Why would they want to talk to you? You're just gonna ask them, does it really work? Does it really work? Hey, how do I do it? Can I talk to you? Can I get your WhatsApp? Don't be one of those guys. Just be silent. Be a silent killer. Be an assassin. Go in there and make money. Go out there, put this method in action, make money. And any skeptics on my channel get banned anyways, so peace. Okay, let's see this. So let's see this method in action. So the way this method works, and if you know this is the #1 money channel on YouTube, Type in #1 money channel, hit the like button already because we're going deep into this. So here is the template, okay? Here's the template that I used to make a lot of money back in the day. Literally the exact template that I used to put flyers up around campus. Some of the text is different. I was selling tutoring services, but it's essentially all the same here. The whole format is the same. The text is a little bit different, but you can see here, I have a headline, we have 2 testimonials, which is social proof, and then we have a risk reversal, and then we have a call to action. Great marketing. I don't even know how I came up with this back then, but that's how I was making $10,000 a month 10 years ago in college. True story, okay? So earn extra money from your dorm. Then you have 2 testimonials. I quit my job at the arcade, now make tens of thousands of dollars a month. True story, real student. You can check them out. Ryan Dinnabill. I was bartending and this is way better than what I can do from my computer. True story. Brian Pfeiffer, multimillionaire, student of mine, lives in Las Vegas. You will make money, guaranteed. I don't know if you're able to say this in all countries. You know, you will make money maybe, or your money back, or something like that. I'm not a lawyer, so like use whatever you can in whatever your country. Again, this video is for entertainment purposes only. Results may vary. Results are not guaranteed. All that stuff, but understand that it will personally give you your money back. Here we go. You want to set up an email. You're going to post this around campus. You're going to tear these flyers, and this is how it works. You tear these flyers, and I'm going to give you a little bonus tip here, is when you have a big flyer, you want to kind of ruffle the flyer tabs that have your stuff on them, because it's harder, if it's just flat, it's harder for people to tear. You kind of ruffle them, right? You kind of ruffle them so that it's easy for people to just go swipe and tear a tab and put it in their pocket so they can email you later, because they want to make that money, right? They want to make that extra money from their dorm room. Another thing is always never have a flyer that has all of its tabs still on. Whenever you start putting up a flyer, take 1 or 2 off, okay? I always take 1 or 2 off because people don't want to be the first person to tear a tab on a flyer, right? You want to be the first person to tear a tab? No, you don't. You don't want to be the first lead. Nobody wants to be the first lead. You do that, print a bunch of these out, post them around campus. Best places to post them will be the business school, okay? That's where people want to make money. Post them around the business school or the accounting school or whatever that is. And, you know, the library is a great place, lots of foot traffic. Now, I'll give you some more tips about flyer posting in just a second, but first I'm going to show you how to actually link these flyers that you're posting up, the traffic you're getting, with the actual money that you want to be receiving, okay? So the first part is you're going to go to Gmail, and you're going to go to this little settings tab, okay? So you need a Gmail email. You go to the settings tab right here, okay? Now, some of you may not want to use your personal email for this, so you can set up an extra email with Gmail, whatever you want to do, and I think other email providers allow you to do this, but we're going to go over to settings right there, okay? Settings. And then we're going to scroll down. We're in the general category. See, we're in settings, then we're in the general category, and we're going to scroll down to where it says vacation responder, okay? This is the most simple autoresponder that you can set up. It's one message. It'll send them an email. Anybody who sends you an email, it'll send them back an email. We'll turn it on, and then we'll just have it start whatever day, no last day, and we'll go to the resource document. Now, you'll want to check out the resource document that I've made available for you over at johncrestani.com/resource. You can see that on my screen right here, okay? johncrestani.com/resource. And in here, I show off all of my free traffic methods that you can use, okay? I have a lot of free traffic methods. Pretty good at using the internet to market products. If you know it, type in #1 marketing channel on YouTube right below, because we're going over the cuttiest marketing methods. They want you to spend ad dollars, and I'm showing you you can spend your time and make real money, substantial income on the internet. So we're gonna go down here and we're gonna go to flyer promotion. You see that? Flyer promotion is the link you wanna go to. It takes you down, and you will get what you put in as the vacation autoresponder. Okay, so in this message, the subject line is away away on vacation. We'll just type in away. We'll go to our settings here, away on vacation. And then we will go to thanks for the message. I'm currently away on vacation. Insert affiliate link. Okay, so you see here's the message you insert. Now you see it has a little bracketed area which says insert affiliate link. Now what you'll want to do here is you'll want to insert your own affiliate link for my program in here. Now when you sell my program is $1,000. You make 500, I make 500. That's how it works. I love making money and I want you to make money too, because if you make money, I make money. So promote my program, but you can promote any program you want, okay? There are thousands of products out there that can you promote. And in all seriousness, go out there and make money. If you make money with other programs, please send me a testimonial. I love video testimonials. I get messages all day. I don't know whether to believe them or not. I want to see video testimonials. They show me personality and I really enjoy seeing all of the people whose lives I've affected. And if you want to see some of the testimonials of students of mine, you can go over to my YouTube channel and you can actually look at my homepage and you'll see I've posted up a number of successful students of mine right here in the students testimonial and success area. Really exciting, always seeing all the people who are making money using methods. Brings light to my day. So we're going to change this link over to our own affiliate link. So you can sign up for my program either on Clickbank, create an account there, then go to the marketplace, then search my last name, then you click promote and you generate hop link, and then you click copy. And that's one way to get your link. Then I would just replace this. I'd click change, and then I'd enter in the link, okay? And then I click save changes. Now this will send a message to anyone who emails you. Now if Clickbank doesn't work in your country, you can always sign up to be an affiliate for my program through Digistore24 with this German man bun guy here who's the founder. You'd register an account. They accept all countries and they pay out weekly through PayPal. All countries pay out weekly through PayPal. The only downside is they don't have as big of a selection of products to choose from. As you see, they only have 76 products to choose from, whereas Clickbank has 5,000. So you get less products to choose from, but you get payments through PayPal, and some people can't even use Clickbank because they're in Africa or something. My product is the #1 product on this affiliate network, which is pretty cool. And you would just click promote now and you would get your links. So that's all there is to it, people. If this was exciting, let me know in the comments if this is exciting. If you're actually gonna do this, let me know where you're gonna do this. Type in the college that you're going to post up flyers at. Very excited to bring you this method. And I'll give you a few more tips about flyer promotion as well. So what I always suggest people do, you know, I told you the ruffle thing. I told you always tear, right? Tear one, ruffle them. Make it easy for them to tear. Put it in entrances and exits. Look at where people mull about, okay? That's what I used to do. I would watch people. I would sit back, I'd put up flyers, and I'd watch people, how they interact with my marketing. I'd watch if people actually read it. I'd watch if people actually tore the tab. I'd get a demographic, who's tearing tabs. You know, I was selling tutoring services. My demographic, it was all Asian. White people don't want to be tutored. White people aren't into tutoring. Asians love it. That was my audience. I didn't have a single white customer. It was all Asian. So the other thing, entrances, exits, where people mull about, and I always brought a satchel. I brought a messenger bag and I'd put tape. I'd put clear plastic tape, because you don't want to cut off the headline. And the second thing I'd do, I'd print out about 20 to 30 flyers and I'd go out and I'd test new subject lines. I'd test new headlines every single day. Every single day, I'd test a new headline because there's going to be a headline that works better. I went out about 15 times. I tested about 15 different headlines before I arrived at the headline that ended up getting the most tabs torn. For about 12 times I went out, nobody tore any tabs. Maybe I'd get one torn here and there, but about 12 times it was crickets. But finally, in my 13th or so iteration, I wrote a headline that almost every tab got torn. Almost every tab got torn. I'm not even kidding you. It took me about that many times to get there though. The headline is a big effect. Whole layout of the thing. I mean, my layout's fine, but testing the headline is gonna have a huge effect on how successful you are. The other thing I would suggest is go out in the morning before the earliest class. Go out at 6 or 7 or 8 a.m. Actually post up the flyers. That's where you get the maximum amount of people seeing your flyers. Oftentimes, the groundskeepers or the janitors tear down the flyers from the doors of the buildings or the entrances and exits at night. So generally speaking, if you put your flyer up in the afternoon, you're limiting the reach. So put them up early in the morning because they'll usually get torn down at night. And also, if you're at college, I think it was like 50 free pages a day that I could print out at my college. So I'd just print out 50 pages. And that would be the amount of flyers I'd post up, because, you know, it's free, right? I could print up to 50. So that was really exciting. Hope this helped you out. Make sure to subscribe. If you want to see more videos about offline advertising methods, because this is considered an offline advertising method, type in offline in the comments below. If you just want me to stick to online, just say stick to online. If I get enough people interested in offline advertising methods, I'll tell you a little bit more about it. Awesome stuff. Have a great day. Put this into action. This is easy. This is obvious. This makes money. And it's very exciting. Talk to you soon.